Welcome back to my channel. My name is PEACHYGIRLCALIWORLD. You might also know me as Coco or Courtney. I am a Mercari, Amazon, eBay, Kidizen, Poshmark seller, as well as OfferUp Facebook Marketplace. And today we're doing one of my favorite things, which is an unboxing. So if you watched my video from weeks ago, then you saw that I got a Glossy Box, and the contents of the box came to a little over $100, I want to say. And at the end of the video, I told you all that I paid $1 for it. So that was a special little promo, and I was supposed to cancel it before they sent the next box, but I forgot. So they sent this box, and I canceled it immediately. So this box I did pay full price, which was, I think, $19. It's giving me some content, so I'm not super upset, but please remember to cancel any subscriptions you all have pending, anything that you're like, why is that coming out of my account? Make sure you do that. So, as you all know, we found out last time that there's a box within a box. So we're gonna rip this open like this. There we go. And we take a peek inside, and this Glossy Box is pink. So let's try to get the thumbnail for the video. It's always funny trying to get the thumbnail for the video. Usually I crop this part out of the video so you guys don't have to watch it, but I think I'll leave it this time. I think we have the thumbnail somewhere in there. So we're just gonna dump this out. Oh, this is a little different. So the one from last month was more like a treasure box. This one looks like a shoe box. You all, this is very hefty compared to the last box. I will say this too. Sorry if you hear the dogs in the background. He's a little, he's being a little doggy right now. So, as you guys know, they sent me the wrong item in the last box. They're not necessarily wrong because, you know, it's a mystery, but they have the placard showing what's supposed to be in the box, and one of the items was not what was on the placard. So, they did get back to me. I glanced at their response, and I had other things to do, so I forgot about it. So I'm wondering if this is heavy because they hooked this box up because they messed up. I don't know. We'll find out. This is what it looks like, and we'll see the inside. It says August 10th birthday, Glossy. A couple of things in this one. So there's Cab Cosmetics, there's the Glow Recipe, which is the cleanser. There's a Hask mask. There is Cetaphil, full size. That's wild. Elemis and Invisibobble, something like that. So let's just get into it, you guys. Open it up. This is what it looks like. And last time the readings that I did were relatively long when it came to editing the video, and I don't want to do that again. So I'm just going to do a brief review. I'm not going to read from the placard. I'm actually just going to read from the actual product. This is a keratin protein mask. I have used one of these before. The brand is Hask or Hask, H-A-S-K. It says smoothing deep conditioner, softens and prevents breakage in weak damaged hair. This isn't the exact style that I had and used, but the one that I had, I want to say it was like a teal and brown, and it was also a deep conditioner, and I remember it making my hair feel hydrated, so that's great. This next item is called a Glow Recipe Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. Makeup erasing and deep cleansing. Cleansers are really good for getting the surface area, getting your pores together, not just makeup removers. So if you have a cleanser and you think you can only use it for makeup, it's for getting a lot of the dirt and oils off of your face. It's really good if you have combination skin, or if you have really oily skin. It's really good for removing that. I tend to have dry skin, so if I'm using the cleanser, it's specifically just to clean my face. It's not to moisturize or add any kind of hydration to my face. So that's that. Our next item, Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. Anti-wrinkle day cream, anti-aging. So our next item is the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. It's anti-wrinkle day cream and anti-aging. I heard that if you start using these like fairly young, like 20s, 30s, that around your 50s, 60s, 70s, it's harder to see wrinkles, your face still looks really young, yada, yada, yada. I don't use creams like that. I have a million that I sell, and I have a lot that so what I do is this is the sidebar. I make my own cream. I put in my sunscreen, I put in my facial moisturizer, I put in a couple other things, and I mix it all together. And you know, sometimes it'll liquefy and separate, and before I use it, I just mix it all together again, and then that's what I use. I don't have anything that's collagen based, but I have seen and read that collagen is good for smoothing out fine lines and not puffing out your skin, but making it look more supple. So, don't know what I'm going to do with this. Our next thing, KAR lip oil. I've never used the lip oil. I'm sorry, you guys can't see that. Let me do this right like the influencers do. There we go. I've never used the lip oil before. I've heard great things about them, but it's just not something that I've added to my routine. I've added a lip scrub to my routine, which is amazing. Oh, this thing is huge. It has like the jumbo brush also. Guys, look at how big this is compared to my lips. This is hilarious. This is so funny. KAB lip oil. Okay, this flavor is Juicy Melon. 0.2 ounces. I'm gonna put it back in the box. I haven't used anything that I've gotten from the Glossy boxes. I take the pictures and I put them up for sale. That's what I do. So anything that you see, if you want it, you can, you know, reach out to me. I will definitely sell it to you. They sent a full size thing of Cetaphil. That's wild. Cetaphil can be mad expensive sometimes. This is Sheer Hydration Replenishing Body Lotion. Long-lasting 48-hour hydration, improves the quality of skin over time, refreshing, gentle scent. Hyaluronic acid is in this. You guys, hyaluronic acid can sell anywhere between like $4 and $25. So that's awesome that it's put into the body lotion. Sorry, I just dropped the box. I'm so excited to see this. Cetaphil is one of those brands where it's like, if you want to pay up and get something nice, you get Cetaphil. And our last item from the box is this Invisibobble, the Elegant Hair Ring. So I actually have these for sale too, but they're by Scunsy or Scunsy. I got a pack of those, but this is really cool. You can wear it as like, literally like a bracelet. I'm trying to show you the infographic without the light. There you go. You can wear it as like a bracelet. You can also wear it as like a hair tie, a hairband, a hair bow designed in Germany. You're great. That's cute. It looks like it comes with 3 of them, unless it's just one that's wrapped around. No, it's 3 of them. That's pretty cool. This is the birthday for Glossy Box. If so, happy birthday, Glossy Box. Tell me if there's anything in here that you thought was exciting, anything that you want to try. Again, here is the placard, the infographic with everything that was included. And in this box, everything actually was there. So woohoo for that. So yeah. You can find me at PEACHYGIRLCALIWORLD on Instagram. You can find me at PEACHYWORLD on Poshmark, PEACHYGIRLCALIW on eBay. Anything you just start searching Peachy Girl Cali, I should pop up. I should be the only one who pops up. Feel free to message me if you have questions, comments, concerns, if there's anything you want to buy. My referral links to the aforementioned websites are also in the bio, as well as other suggestions for videos you might want to watch. So usually I put other unboxing videos in like the suggestions, like, oh, you might want to watch me unbox this or unbox that, but I think I'm going to start switching it up. So I think for the suggestions for this video, it'll probably be a Poshmark video. For my next Poshmark video, it'll probably be unboxing. That way I can kind of like germinate different audience members, and maybe we can all come together and, you know, see where our Venn diagrams meet. It's always great talking to y'all. Have a wonderful day or night. Bye.